Hi, welcome to another Inventor 2017 video tutorial. I want to do the second part of the multi-body housing, now the interior. So let's hide just this body for the moment. Okay, and show the planes and maybe this as well. Okay. And they're not visible because why? Because they're deactivated, so just activate them. Okay, now I need a sketch on that plane, and I need again all those planes. You could do it without construction, but it's better to do them in construction mode or set them to construction mode, because there's some situations where it might lead to difficulties. Did I select it? Yeah. Okay, now I need a line over here, and this could look something like this. Up. And this should not be for construction, but I could change it afterwards as well. Doesn't really matter. And now close it, and this should be standard element, and this one should be aligned with, nope, this one should be aligned with that line, this one with that one, this one with that one. Now I need some dimensions, and of course this line should be a center line. This should be 56. This might be 47. That's odd. Try once again. 47. This is not a line, so make this horizontal. Okay, give it a dimension. That would be 54. This might be 21. And that might be 31. That distance could be 15. This could be 40. This might be, let's say, 3. This might be 4. Okay. No, this should be 8. Then it's fully constrained. Finish the sketch. Now make another revolve. 360 degrees, and that's a new body, and okay. And this one should be called right minus. Next sketch, again on that plane. Project as construction elements the planes. I know I don't need these two, but doesn't matter. Now back to normal. Again a sketch line over here. Goes up, right, down, right, down, right, up. And close. This should be aligned with that one, this one with that one, this one with that one, and that line should be a center line. Add dimensions. No, not this should be a center line, but that line should be a, no. So go for select other, and make it a center line. Okay, now that could be (62). This might be 52. This might be 33. And the last one, that's really hard to select. And this could be 45. That distance could be 15. This could be 40. Okay, now let's move this over here, and that line as well. Okay, so this could be 3, that might be 4, and it should be fully constrained, and it is. Finish this sketch as well, make a revolve, make it a new body, and OK, and call this one left minus. Next sketch, same plane, and I need, in this case I need only this one and maybe that one. And of course the center line. Now let's go for a sketch, and this could look something like this. And again, this should be standard lines, so just select them. Okay. This line should be a center line. Give it dimensions. This could be 35. That might be 33. That distance could be 8, and that distance might be 30. Now add two constraints. So this should be aligned with that one. And this one with that one. Fill constraint, finish the sketch, make another revolve and call this one, make it a new body, and call this one center minus. Okay. Now I can put this in one body, because in Inventor you can do separate volume, which is not possible in NX. It's possible in KT as well. So let's combine this to the center minus. So make combine. The tool body, the base body should be the center minus, then add the right minus and the left minus and confirm. Give them a different color, so center minus could have another color. Maybe it's red, and confirm. So in this case I will do the fillets on these before, so go for fillet. Where are my fillets? Or I could do the fillets afterwards. Maybe it's better to do the fillets afterwards, because I did it in the other programs as well. So now I will show this one and remove the center minus from the center plus. Combine, the base body is center plus, tool body is this one, but I go for cut and confirm. Now let's add some chamfers. One millimeter by 54. I need one here, here, there, there, and down below, I think right here. and OK. Now let's do this before the combine, so move it up, hide this one, and I need some fillets, one right here, and radius maybe is 2. Apply. One, 2, apply, and the same here. 1, 2, OK. Move it down and show it. Now let's add the holes, and I will do the points or the point with a 3D sketch. So start 3D sketch, and I need a point, and it should be maybe on that plane, or give it a distance. Just click somewhere, maybe like this. And now let's put this point onto the correct plane, and okay. So it should be on that plane, and it should be also on that plane right here in the middle, on this one. Yep. And the distance from the point to that plane should be 39. Finish the sketch. Now let's make an update and make a hole. Okay, you cannot use a 3D sketch point, you have to go for a working point. So make a point right there on that point, and then you can use it. So now go for hole, go for on point, use this point, and diameter should be 6, and it should not go through all, it should have a distance, and the distance should be, let's say 15, 10, make 10. And the direction would be the normal to that plane or the axis. So go for that plane, turn it around, and make it, yeah, that's okay. Confirm. Now I would need an axis, because you could use that axis, but I will go for a, so we'll move this up, and well, that's not a good idea. Oh yeah, it's a good, okay. And I need a point, a direction, or I need 2 points. So another 3D sketch. That would be another point. Okay, put it right there. That point should be coincident to that plane and should be to that plane. Yeah, and it should be also in that plane. Can I go with a point and a direction for an axis, or do I need 2 points? Let's check. Finish the sketch. So how to get an axis? Normal 2 plane with the point, that's it. That's the point, that's the plane, and I got an axis. Now move this down. And make a pattern, a circular pattern, and it's a feature, and the feature would be the hole. The axis would be this axis. I want to have 360 degrees, that's okay, and confirm. Now you could mirror it, or you could do it on the other side as well. So let's hide this. That's the 3D sketch, and okay. Another point, another 3D sketch. Go for a point. And this point should be so by accident, yes, by accident I got this on that plane. That was not by intention, so show it. Where's the constraint? It's not visible, so I delete that point anyway. It's faster, so put this point somewhere here. Now this should be that's crazy, I cannot select that point. Or is it already selected? Now it's selected. And make it, oh sorry, I took the wrong one. Should be on that plane, and it should be on this plane, and the distance should be to that plane again, 3,9. Finish the sketch. Hide the dimension. Now go for a hole. Again, I forgot. That's really hard. I need a working point on that one. Now I can do the hole on point. That's the point. The direction would be that plane, the normal to that plane. Direction is okay. 10, 6, and okay. Now let's make a circular pattern. Feature is last hole. Axis would be this one, and okay. And I'm done. So just hide all work features and 3D sketches, 2D sketches, and okay. So if you want to see more, give it a like down below, leave a comment, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you to the next one, bye bye.